good. I'm from Boma Village, small little community place from Boma over the mainland to the old Northern River. I'm from that place. My mom, my dad do this work. Family, friends, we all do this work.
Okay.
So I see this work done. I do African mask because my culture is like African. So I do African stuff, move away from the different artists. If you walk into my shop, you will see a lot of African masks around. Well, a small piece could run up like an hour to like hour and a half. Depends on the position of the piece for the people and want it set in position. 2 days ago, I just come from the mainland in my small boat, so I bring all the small pieces that you see, small masses, African masks. Well, to meet everybody from the States come over to see us.